Hi, this is VZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to remove friends on Discord. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Discord allows user to add other user as friend. Users also have the option to remove user from their friend list if they no longer want to have those connection. So how to do it if you want to remove someone from your friend list on Discord, it's very simple. First of all, of course, you have to open our Discord. And in here, you can open your friend list. You can go to all, select an all. You can just choose on your friends that you want to remove. You want to unfriend. For the example, I want to unfriend this. Okay, this one. There is an option more. You can select on the three dots over there. There is an option start video call, start voice call. Because we want to remove friends, of course, you can just choose on remove friends. Wait. Here. Select on remove friends. After that, you can just choose on remove friends. So you have removed that account from your friend list. You have unfriend that account from your Discord. It's very simple, right? And if you want to add another connection, you can just select on add friend and search for their username. It's very simple. So that is how to remove friends or someone on Discord friend list. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.